I'm so excited about this. So, I finally got myself a new microphone. I know you guys can tell that my voiceovers are absolutely terrible because I've been using a boo-boo microphone for a really long time. So I put in an order last week and I just got this in today and I haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to open it on camera with you. This is the Ice Snowball Blue microphone, plug and play USB microphone. And this is what it looks like. The box. Actually, one of my friends recommended this to me because I was looking for a good yet affordable microphone. So I just got this because it had a lot of good reviews and it seemed good and I like the look of it. So yeah, how are we gonna open this up? How do you open this up? I'm really excited about this. I hope it works good because I've needed a good microphone for a really long time. And so, yeah. Wow. There's no getting this out right now. I'm just going to tell y'all right now, they have made this nearly almost impossible to get out of this box. And it's really annoying me right now. I don't understand how this is packaged, but I literally cannot get this out. Kind of really weird actually. 30 minutes later and I finally got it out and I'm actually still going to have to just damage this box to get it out. But here it is. Hey, it's really neat looking. So it's white with silver. It's actually really big in size too. I did not expect that. Let's see what all it comes with here. So that's nice. Okay, it came with a mini tripod. How does this work? Okay, does that even go with that? Okay, here we go. My bad. Okay, this is so cute. So it came with a mini tripod. That's really nice. And here is the wire, and then we've got a little booklet here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be testing this out. I really wish I could plug it up to my camera, but I obviously can't because this wire is not built for that, but it is built for the laptop. So ooh, I'm going to be testing it out shortly. I want to hear how it sounds with just regular talk, you know, from a distance. I want to test it out close to my mouth. I also want to see if it could possibly be good for ASMR in case I ever want to do some of those. So yeah, let's try it out. Gosh, I really wanted to do an unboxing, but that was a very frustrating opening of the box. Like, I can't even explain it to you. It was so hard to get out and it was kind of like painful. It was hurting my hands. But anyway, so yeah, this is what it came with. The mini tripod, which is really awesome. And this is the microphone and it's super cute. And like I said, we've got a wire. So, all right, I'm gonna be doing some testing and I'll add it in here and we'll see how that goes. I need to get my roots done, by the way. They'd be looking rough. Okay, so let's do some testing. Test 1. We're going to be doing it at a distance. So this is my first test and I'm just talking normal like I normally would, and I have it a good distance away from my mouth or my face. I'm going to put it out at arm's length now and just talk a little bit louder and see how I sound. So this is the first test. Test number 2. I'm going to be doing it holding it near my mouth. This is the second test. I have it pretty close to my mouth, but not all the way. I'm getting closer, so I'm pretty close. And now I'm going to get a little bit further and just test and see how that sounds. Test number 3. I'm going to attempt ASMR to see if it picks up So I wanted to say overall, I think this microphone is really awesome. I mean, it picked up really good here. It picked up really good here. And then I had it like total arm's length and it picked up really good. And I think it sounded really good when I was doing the whispering. The only thing I'm like really disappointed about is that I'm probably only going to be able to use this for voiceovers because there's no way I can record on my camera and use this at the same time. I don't know how people do that. How do people do that? Maybe I'll have to look into it. But anyways, overall, this is a really nice microphone. It's a really nice size, which I'm surprised about. And it came with the tripod. I thought that was so awesome. Yeah, so I mean, this was just my first time using it. So this is like a first impressions review, I guess. But this microphone, really good and a really good price. I will link it down below. I found it on Amazon for really cheap. So yeah, pretty good. So anyways, if you were looking to get one of these microphones, I say it's a pretty good choice. Okay? Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully in the future, maybe I can make some ASMR. Maybe some ASMR voiceovers. Ooh, maybe. We'll see. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.